Muraibense Dr. William Ruto kubwatira nabara ikorwa sensemo ya Kenya Kwanza baba gutarira chinsemo na baigogo siolia emerobelio ya magenderero okwana nigo bamuchia ekegambero asogo tukuterare omurobelio bokwaga cha chinyumba chingia na baigo cheligolire nsekegima asibaba kwanike bunanigo abasaya bange batabwati emirimo nde yunere nchirayo kabarabe bako bakonya chinga kecho baigo nigo banike ni ya serikali egendete nemirobeli mekiranu asengencho yokorosia uchumi anomono asibabere bawokeania amadeni yechinse chesko murikito dokaskema norobotioro
Maiga yekigambere kene kuna chekina iguru yobaga chibwe chinyomba cha magorense maiga yokonyarkana buna omorobeyo to bwaditiri chikoriense nigabara ikoro ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza besokire na komocha ebigambero asogo tugutirare omorobeyo oywe bakora uno morai bwabare abange ase bungenene kimani chungwa nigo batebire bunati barigo chigwanchira ebigambero go enenia emerobeyo ya serikali ase bamoboli Muraibense kubakongeria richiko
ya leasing ya serikali. Wanasema mwananchi wa kawaida wa majengo hana haki na hafai kuishi kwa nyumba ya maana ati aendelee kuishi majengo. Huyo ni jaji mwerevu ama pumbafu? Huyo ni jaji mwerevu ama nini? Ati ni kama Kibaki angekuwa angesema huyo ni nini? Pumbafu yule. Huyo ni jaji pumbafu ama mwerevu? Your Excellency, ndio tunakwambia sababu uko na mpango
nigo abara yabwe bagendete go singerera buna oika omorobero ye ochiko gendera no nyamaiga yekigambere okoyotenenia somorai wense ritukoria rero abekari genari obagachi bwe chinyombechi asensemo ya mirimani imeye county ya Meru.
Wakikusumbua tafadhali tuachie kama wabunge tunyoroshane na wao. Tuwanyoroshe ama tusiwanyoroshe? Si huyu Rahim ndiye mmepea mamlaka ongea on your behalf? Iko judge mmepigia kura hapa Meru.
That is why Parliament always sits and makes laws. What the court pronounced itself is we are studying the judgment and finding those loopholes that may have existed in law and creating the legislative framework like we're doing now. So housing levy is not going anywhere. We passed it in the Finance Act. We have studied the judgment. We are finding out now how to make sure that we have.
Nigo boigo bamochiria nsemerie kwa mereria serikali asogo swana na emereo ya serikali.
Yeah, it is deceitful for those of us who have the privilege to have a job, whether you have a job in the executive like me, or you have a job in the legislature, or you have a job in the judiciary. It is deceitful for you to sabotage the opportunity for other Kenyans also to get a job in other parts of our economy.
Ruto nigo aigereire omoroberio yo nagoteba nigo oire abasaya bange emeremo.
Today, the government of Kenya has clear plans on how to create job opportunities. One of them is housing, and we are going to make sure that housing creates at least 500,000 jobs in Kenya to make sure that young people graduating from Mitungu and all other colleges have an opportunity to go work. Right there, we have a masonry workshop. And you can see those gentlemen, they are standing there. Wale watu wanajipanga pale na masonry. Those masons, we want them in our affordable housing program.
Ase omokonyo yeri katika shawa moigatebre nigo serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ya rusirie ense ya Kenya ase amadeni.
Munajua watu wetu wa imenti, huyu rais wetu kwa mwaka moja amekuwa pale ofisi akiwa na kibarua ngumu ya kungangana na madeni. Alikuta madeni ya 9.6 trillion. Akakuta Kenya karibu ipigiwe kengele. Na rais kwa kuweka bidii amengangana, tumeanza kulipa madeni na amepanga kazi kwa hiyo mwaka moja, ndio sasa amerudi kwa
Dorcas Kemoma, Ndizi TV.